Hey everyone, this is part 3 of our ongoing video series and product demo of what Livy AI is and what we can do. So if you are just watching this video now, you should check back to our previous videos to get an idea of who we are as a company, an overview of our systems. But right now and today, we're going to talk about our AI writer tool and how to use it. So I'll give a brief demo on some of our tools so you can get a better idea of what our tools and capabilities can do. So if we start out here, something that I really like and I find really interesting is let's do blog post ideas. So something that always runs with our content marketing circles is what do we write about? What is something that is important for us to create in order for us to gain traffic and build our customer base? What you'll see here is your remaining credits, how many words you have, how many images you have. And here's a description. What are your blog post ideas? What do you want to write about? So artificial intelligence is really popular. So let's try that here. Write a blog post about artificial intelligence and machine learning. All right, so we can choose, do we want high creativity? What are tone of voice do we want? Sarcastic, dramatic, secretive, funny, things like that. We can even control the maximum length of the word count and even the language, which is something else we can describe in another video as well. But let's check out the results now. Perfect. So what we're seeing here is that our AI has taken the initial idea, the initial description, and has started providing feedback or tools for a user to use. So in this use case, we have AI's got talent and a hilarious take on artificial intelligence and machine learning. As you can see, I inputted that the tone of voice is fun, and I wanted the creativity to be at its maximum. And here it gave an idea of what the title is, the blog post ideas, and then how many words it would be. We see the introduction of the content. We can see other ideas and things like that as well. So it's giving you a pretty good rough general idea of a blog post and help you create content at a more scalable rate. So again, we used about a certain number of characters or credits. Let's see how many we have left. And yeah, you'll see that being reflected here in your credit system. And then finally, whenever you want to go back to that idea, you can find that here on your My Documents or workbook. So again, you're taking the content, taking your ideas and using our AI powered tool to create content more effective. So here's a brief example of our AI writer tool. In the next video, I'll be talking about our AI screenwriter tool, which is in its early stages. So you can get an idea of how, if you were an aspiring filmmaker or producer, you can create content. But like any other video, please leave us your feedback, like and subscribe. We would love to know your thoughts on how we can generate content better and more personalized for you. So again, my name is Jonathan Brown, and I appreciate you for watching.